Hi guys, Namaste, welcome to Nair Mentions. Today we'll be reviewing this Sebamed Anti-Dandruff Shampoo, and this is for oily hair and dandruff prone scalp. Dandruff is a very common problem and it can be on oily or dry scalp. This causes itchiness and also this can cause hair fall. And if your dandruff exceeds, this can also fall on your eyebrows, which can cause thinning of eyebrows and extreme itchiness. I have used a lot of anti-dandruff shampoos available in the market and they just did not work for me. First of all, their claims are so confusing. Like they say up to 100% dandruff free. Now what does up to mean over here? Like up to can be 0% to 1% also. So these kind of claims, they can confuse a normal user like me. Then I came across this brand Sebamed and their claim actually caught my eye. This claims 50% less dandruff after 14 days. Now this is a claim I would love to believe. In case you don't know about this Sebamed brand, this is a German personal care brand with a legacy of 50 plus years and they are present in 85 countries. In India, Sebamed is one of the top 3 brands in baby care products and also one of the leading brands in personal care. I decided to give this shampoo a try because this unique claim actually caught my attention, which says 50% less dandruff after 14 days of use. Now, I am ready to believe such a claim. This is a trusted and scientifically proven kind of a brand, and this says effectively reduces 50% of dandruff after 14 days of use. And this is confirmed, this is true. This has got powerful ingredients like pyroxynolamine, so it doesn't matter whether you have oily scalp dandruff or dry scalp dandruff. This has a pH of 5.5, which is very gentle on the scalp, and this won't just strip off all the natural oils your scalp has. So I'll show you the packaging. This is how the packaging looks like. This looks very nice and convenient. This has a nice musky and woody kind of a fragrance, and this is not that overpowering. It's very mild and this stays and this lingers on your hair for a long period of time. So I'll just show you a quick demo of this so you can get an idea how much lather this makes and all. Okay, so this is how the shampoo looks like, and I'm again saying this has an amazing fragrance. And one more thing is that this gives very good lather. Like you don't need a lot of water to get a rich lather. This will give very good lather, and as this has pyroxynolamine, this will give less flaking. And as I told you, this has a pH of 5.5 that will not only give you a healthy scalp but will also give you nice and soft hair. Soft and smooth, I would say. And that is absolutely true. Like my hair looks so soft after using this. I'll just show you. Yeah, as you can see, my hair is looking so nice and soft and shiny. I absolutely love this product a lot. And this fragrance is so nice and so mild and so lingering. I'm totally in love with this product. After using this shampoo, my hair feels so nice and soft, as you can see. My hair otherwise doesn't look very soft, but it's just feeling so soft and conditioned at the same time, as you can see. And absolutely like zero dandruff, I would say, and no dandruff at all, as you can see. No, nothing like that. No, nothing. As this shampoo has a pH level of 5.5, now that is the optimal pH level for a healthy scalp. And this pH, which is 5.5, this effectively reduces the growth of dandruff causing germs and hence results in 50% less dandruff in 14 days. So yes, I'm happy with this product. I'm equally satisfied, and this does what it says it will do, and you will see a reduction in your dandruff if you use it for 14 days. You will definitely see that. I noticed that. That's why I'm recommending this to you. Dandruff is a very common problem, but now this comes with an easy solution. The link is in the description box, so hurry up, shop now.